idea what she doing in college. That makes it that she majored and don't make no money, but she won't drop out. Her parents will look at her funny. Now, tell me that ain't insecure. The concept of school seems so secure. Sophomore, 3 years, ain't picked a career. She like, fuck it, I'll just stay down her and do head. Cause that's enough money to buy her a few pairs of new pants. Cause her baby daddy don't really care. She's so precious with the peer pressure. Couldn't afford a car, so she named her daughter Alexa. She had hair so long that it looked like weed. And she cut it all off, now she look like Eve.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to attempt to get this lit braid out using CurlsCurls clip-ins. Now, I did show you guys in the beginning clip of what the hair looked like before, me trying to attempt to do the dipping method with the bleach and bleaching the hair. Now, this is what the hair color looks like after being bleached at one time. I probably let it set for about 35 to 40 minutes. So the color is pretty lit. It does not match my color perfectly, but it's cool. I think it'll be a good look because it'll kind of make it look like I have highlights and lowlights. So let's hope that that comes out the way I'm imagining. So first I'm going to, you know, of course, apply the clip-ins, install the clip-ins from CurlsCurls, and then we're going to get started on the braid out. But really quick, the hair specs on these clip-ins. I have the thick naturally curly clip-ins, and there's 10 pieces in the bundle. So this is what the bundle looks like, and as you can see, the hair is really thick just by itself. So mixed in with my hair, it's gonna be really big. See, I got 16 inches for my length. I really didn't want to add any length. I just really wanted to add thickness to my hair, so that's the reason for the length that I chose, the 16 inches. Of course, this hair is 100% virgin. It can be straightened, flat ironed, blow dried, whatever, and then also colored, of course, because you guys just watched me bleach it. They're normal bundles. The normal bundles from CurlsCurls, you normally comes with 6 pieces, and then when you get the thick bundle, it contains 10 pieces. So you're gonna have 10 separate tracks with the clips on it. So this one right here that I have in my hand has the 5 clips on it. So you'll only receive 6 of these if you get the normal bundle, but if you get the thick bundle, you get 10. Then also I have a $5 off coupon code. Just use the code Lexus and you'll receive your little change off. So let's get into this install. I'm going to first take all of the clips off of the bundle so I know which clips I have. 2 of the 5 clip bundles, and then I have the bundle, oh my gosh, why do I keep saying bundles? The track that has 4 clips. Then I have 3 of the tracks that has the 3 clips, and lastly I have 2 tracks that have 2 clips that are further apart from each other, and then I have 2 tracks that are 2 clips but they're a little bit more closer. Alright, so I'm back, and I decided that the products I'm going to be using today are from CurlsCurls Curl Essence line. So the 2 products that I'm going to be using are the Curl Essence Moisturizing Leave-In Conditioner with Jamaican Black Castor Oil and Coconut Oil. And also the Curl Essence Moisturizing Curling Jelly. I've never actually used these products before, so I'm kind of like excited to see how this is gonna go. So I'm going to first, I don't like to put clip-ins like really, y'all see my pimple on my neck? Weird. But I don't like to put clip-ins in like my nape area too much because I don't know, like my hair is, well, not my hair, my head is just very sensitive towards the back, so I just never really mess with that area as much. And this is literally what my hair looks like when it air dries, because I rinse my deep conditioner out and I just like let my hair roam free. So I kind of skipped the nape area and went like a little bit above that. So I think I'm going to use, let's see if it measures out. All right. Okay guys, so I had to change up my lighting. My lighting was wilding, but as I was saying, I skipped the nape area and I just parted like a little bit above that. And then also my hair is like air dried, so it's just looking real fluffy. So I'm gonna go in with the 3 clip track. And I'm gonna open up the clips. And for people who have never put in clip-ins, actually a lot of people ask me questions about clip-ins, and it's literally just a regular clip. And from the side, you can kind of see that they are open. And once you hook it on, or rather clip it on to your hair, go ahead and close it like that, and that's how it is. So I'm gonna first apply the clip-in first, or install the clip-in. Matter of fact, no, I'm not gonna use that one. I'm gonna use the clip with the 2 clips instead, because I don't like when the clip-ins touch around this area, because like I said, my nape area is real sensitive. So I'm gonna stick this back there, clip it in, and I don't really want to do small braids, so I'm gonna do another row. And then I think we'll be safe to actually start on the braid out. So I mean, you could do perfect lines and parts if you want to. I don't really care for it. Ain't nobody finna be looking at the parts between my clip-ins, so I think we good. And honestly, this bundle is so thick that I don't feel like I'm gonna need all of them, or the whole bundle rather. So for this part, let me see if I can turn around for y'all. So now that these are in there, like I said, I'm not trying to do no little bitty braids. So I'm finna part the 2, part it into 2, and then spray it with my handy dandy spray bottle. I'm gonna take my tangle teaser and start from the ends of the clip-ins and brush. Okay, and if it get a little loose, you know, tighten it up. And you kind of want to hold it taut just in case the clip-in decides it wants to fall. I mean, you can always go back in and clip it back in. So I'm first going to go in with the leave-in conditioner, and I'm just going to get a little bit of that. And this smells like something I've smelled before. I don't know what it is. Just going to run some of that leave-in all through my hair and the clip-ins. And as you can see, it's kind of falling a little bit. It's fine. Now after I apply the leave-in, I'm gonna add some of the curling jelly. I'm not gonna pick that up because this stuff is so juicy. I'm telling you, I just dripped some on my pants. Shoot. I figured why not use something with like a light hold, but that's not gonna make my hair like super crunchy. So got that in there. Let's detangle one last time. Okay, group me, just start walling. Okay. And these products low-key would be really good for a nice wash and go. Once the product is applied, you can no longer see the difference or where my hair starts and where the clip-ins end. Oh, period poo. Alright. So I'm gonna begin my braid, and I'm just doing the old-fashioned plait. And just make sure everything is staying detangled. And I'm just gonna braid all the way down. And I'm just gonna wear these braids for the rest of the day, because I doubt that they'll be dry. Okay, so now that we've made it pretty much to the end of the twist, not twist, the braid, just twirl it around your finger. I've never actually done a braid out on clip-ins. This will be my first time, so let's hope this is a good time. So twirled it, there we go. See the clip-ins coming out a little bit, it's cool. Just re-clip it in there and you're good to go, period. And one down, hit to go. Alright y'all, I'm back. So I ended up taking out the two clips that were in between these sections, and I just braided this with my real hair. So this is the only section that has just my hair in it, and then of course I twirled the ends, and all together I have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 braids. That's the same amount of braids that I normally have when I do my braid outs on my real hair. So I'm excited to see how this comes out, but really quick I'm just gonna do my edges with Style Factor, and I'm gonna put on a bandana and just let my hair be away. until I decide to take it out. I'm not gonna do too much because sometimes when I go to sleep, my edges be wild and I end up having to do it again anyway. I'm just gonna do a little something so I'm not out here looking crazy. Did me some quick little edges. I'm finna put on this bandana, and like I said, just chill out. If I go anywhere, I'm just leave the bandana on or put on a hat and call it a day. But stay tuned, keep watching if you want to see my finished results.